Ndewo, enwere ihe dị mkpa m chọrọ ka anyị kpaa tata. There is something important I want us to discuss today. Please watch this video till the end, Biko.
I'm Bochizonwa, and I'm the person behind this account. I've been wanting to show my face to be able to connect with you all on a deeper level, and I felt there was no better time than now to talk about something really important to me. It's important because it concerns the future of the Igbo language. The Igbo language, a core part of our culture, identity, and history, is gradually fading away. And this is because not many people in the younger generations are speaking Igbo. Most parents don't even speak Igbo to their children anymore. And some parents who try to speak Igbo to their children don't make sure they speak back to them in Igbo. And this makes the child only able to understand but can't speak the language. If they cannot speak it,